not affected by the heartbleed bug, and so that is also another good thing to note. Sixth, intentionally misspelling words. I'm the type of person that hates misspelling words, but it does make your password a lot more secure. Because like I said before, if they're using a list of commonly used words, the way that you choose to misspell it is probably not on there. So if I had like unicorn underscore 5,7 or something, what if, you know, they could probably easily guess that portion of it because it's a word. But if I was like corn or something like that, and I can remember how I misspelled it, underscore 5,7, it makes it not as easily cracked. So that is another good one. Something else that's good as a base for creating a strong password is to use a sentence, like a famous one, for example, like to be or not to be. Then you just say TBONGB. That is the question. Q. So there you have a string of letters that is not easily guessed, but that you can remember easily because you associate it. It's a
mnemonic.
Mnemonic, yeah. Anyway, so that, you know, of course, it would be good if you use numbers and special characters and things like that, but that is a good start to a strong password. Another important thing is places like Gmail, they now have a way that you can set up a two-step identification process. So oftentimes people who are trying to hack your account, if they get in, it would recognize that you're not logging in from somewhere that you normally log in. And if you set it up, then it would require them to put in another, usually like a 4-digit numerical code that they've sent to your phone or a different email or something like that. And so that way, they would not only have to have cracked your password, but they would have to physically have your phone in order to get in. And so that makes it basically impossible for anyone that's, you know, far away from you to get it. Important thing before you are changing any of your passwords, there's a guy from Italy. He recently came out with this tool for checking to make sure whether your whatever site it is that you want to know if it's still affected by the heartbleed bug. So I'll give you the link if you want to look at it just to make sure. It's filippo.io/heartbleed. And you can just put in the link there and it'll tell you, yes, this is vulnerable, or no, it's not vulnerable. And if it isn't, then you can go ahead and start changing your passwords. But yeah, so internet security is very important because identity theft is rampant, and if we're not careful, a lot of serious damage can happen, and we don't want that. So anyway, this is just a few ways that you can help protect yourself, and I hope that you guys have been inspired and persuaded to become better and more secure with all your dealings on the internet. And yeah, that's basically all I have to say, and I just hope that you guys put it into practice.